Welcome to Digital Whiz Academy. Today, we're kicking off our comprehensive Figma tutorial series. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your design skills, this series will guide you through everything you need to know about Figma. Our journey starts with understanding what Figma is, its benefits, and setting up your workspace. So guys, what is Figma? Dear friends, Figma is a powerful, web-based design tool used for UI and UX design, prototyping, and collaboration. Unlike other design tools, Figma is entirely online, allowing real-time collaboration and seamless sharing of your designs. This makes it an excellent choice for teams working remotely or for individuals who want to access their work from anywhere. Some key features of Figma include vector tools, prototyping capabilities, and the ability to create and share design systems. These features make it a versatile tool for creating high-fidelity designs for web, mobile apps, and more.
So guys, let's talk about benefits of using Figma. Dear friends, Figma allows multiple designers to work on the same project simultaneously, making it easy to collaborate with team members, receive feedback, and make changes on the fly. Because Figma runs in the browser, it works on any operating system, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. There's also a desktop app available for those who prefer it. Figma makes it easy to create reusable components and design systems, ensuring consistency across your projects. With built-in prototyping tools and the ability to generate code snippets for developers, Figma streamlines the design-to-development workflow.
Now we talk about some key features of Figma. Dear friends, using Figma, we can create complex shapes with ease using Figma's intuitive vector network. We can design responsive interfaces that adapt to different screen sizes automatically. And also, we can extend Figma's functionality with a wide range of plugins for various tasks, from animation to accessibility checks. So, dear friends, before we dive into the details, let's set up Figma. Dear friends, before exploring Figma, you will have to creating a Figma account by using following steps. Go to Figma's website and sign up for a free account. You can use your Google account or sign up with an email address. Once registered, you'll be taken to the Figma dashboard. Well done, friends. Now you have Figma account. Now what next? Dear friends, now we move to Explore and go to navigating the Figma interface. While Explore and navigating the Figma, first go to the dashboard. So guys, what is dashboard? Dear friends, the dashboard is your starting point where you can create new files, access recent projects, and manage your team settings. Dear friends, after dashboard, we move to the toolbar. The toolbar at the top contains essential tools for designing, such as the selection tool, shape tools, and the text tool. Layers panel. Dear friends, on the left, the layers panel helps you organize your design elements. You can group layers, create frames, and manage the hierarchy of your design. Properties panel. Dear friends, on the right, the Properties panel allows you to customize the attributes of selected elements, such as colors, sizes, and effects. Dear friends, that's a wrap on our introduction to Figma. Now you have a solid understanding of what Figma is, its key benefits, and how to set up your workspace. In the next video, we'll dive into the basic tools and features of Figma, where we'll explore the interface in more detail and get hands-on with the essential tools you'll be using. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital Whiz Academy and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Let's get started on this exciting design journey together.